You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
We are going to make no-peek chicken. I absolutely love this recipe. We don't have it enough. This is a package of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if this is one large thigh or two, so possibly 7 chicken thighs. I have a can of cream and mushroom soup, a can of cream of celery soup, a package of onion soup mix. I will use both of these. You guys, this is as good as Lipton, so save you a few bucks. And then this Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice. So I will show you how I put all this together. You're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for an hour and 45 minutes, covered completely with foil. You don't touch it, and when you pull it out, it is done. I also have some rolls rising. I'm so glad that these rose well. These will also cook probably the last 25 minutes or so when that is cooking. And then I will steam a few, some vegetables for the side. And you guys, if you haven't already, you're going to see me make this beauty right here. A pineapple upside down cake. This is the way my mama taught me how to make it, and I have not had one since we have lived in this house, and we have lived in this house for 7 years.
I want someone like you to stand by me always. And I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. And echoes from the other night gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems, hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow and ask you to dance with me, even stay with me. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna
the sky. Take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Over here, lower them stairs. I've got all the tools after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To indigo. Say hello. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and harps made out